Okay. So, in previous lecture, we have seen how to find HCF by factorization, correct? Now, in today's lecture, we are going to see about question number 2, okay, of, wait a minute. Now, in today's lecture, we are going to see how to find HCF by division method, okay. In this case, the question number 1 is 275 by 525, means 275 divided by what number? 525. 275 by 525. Okay. Now in this case, we are going to learn about how to find HCF of these two big numbers. 275 is also big and 525 is also big, right? Now in this case, we are going to learn about how to find HCF. Okay, how to find HCF by division method. Okay, how to find HCF by division method, right? Now in this case, we'll write here as 275, okay, 275, and here it will come 525, okay, 275 and 525, okay. Now we have to make first the table of 275, okay. So we have to, it would be easy for us to divide that number, okay. Now we know that 275 ones are 275, okay. Now 275 twos are, okay, 2 5s are 10, 0 1 carry, 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15, 1 carry, and 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 550, okay. 275 2s are 550. Now here 525 number is there. So what answer will become over here? 1. 275 ones are 275, okay. 275 ones are 275, okay. So after doing division, what we are going to do is subtraction. First, 275 ones are 275. Make a note of it, okay. 275 ones are 275. Now 5 minus 5 is what? 0. Now here 7 cannot be subtracted with 2. So 12 minus 7 is equal to what? Here it will come 5, right? And here 5 minus 3 is what? 2. Okay. After getting this number, what we are going to do is we will take the first number. कौन सा number था first? 275. Now here we will take 275. Pay attention everyone. Okay. These sums are very important but easy also. Okay. Now here it will come 275. What we did first? First we did 525 divided by 275. Now 275 2s are 550, but here 525 number is there. Now 275 ones are 275. Okay. फिर हमने subtraction किया. 5 minus 5 0, 12 minus 7 is 5, 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay. After getting this 250, what I am going to do is I will take this 275 to this side. This 275 to this side. Now 252s are again 550. So I will again write 250 ones are 250. Okay, here it will come 250 ones are 250. Okay. Now after dividing this 250 by 275 by 250, again I repeat the same process. Subtraction. Now 5 minus 5 is what? 0, right? 7 minus 5 is what? 2. And 2 minus 2 is 0, right? Now, sorry, here 5 will come. Wait. sorry, here 5 will come instead of 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. Okay. Now again, which number I will take over here? This number. Okay, this number. So again I will take here 250. So 250 will come. Now I know that 250 divided by अगर 25 मैंने किया तो which number here it will come? Which number here it will come? Here it will come 10. Which number here it will come? 10. Because 25 tens are 250. Okay. So this I have to do till I'll get 0. Okay. अभी हम वापस से 2 और 3 सम्स करेंगे तो आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा. Okay. Again I repeat this. Pay attention everyone. Okay. Here 275 is there. 525 is there. I divide this 525 by 275. Right. Now 275 ones are 275. 275 ones are 275. Now 5 minus 5 0, 12 minus 5 7 5, 5 minus 3 is 2. Right, 250. Now which number I am going to take over here for division? This number जैसे हमने divide किया है वो number हम वापस से यहाँ पे लेंगे. Okay. जिस नंबर से हमने डिवाइड किया है वो नंबर हम वापस से यहाँ पे लेंगे. नाउ 275. नाउ 275 डिवाइडेड बाय 250. अगेन 250 ones are 250. नाउ 5 minus 0 5, 7 minus 5 2 and 2 minus 2 is 0. Now which number I am going to take over here? The number यहाँ पे जो मैंने second time जो divide किया वो number अभी नीचे आएगा. Right? Now 25 tens are 250 and what at last I got 0 at the end. At last I got 0 at the end. That means what? That means what here? HCF is what? जहां पे हमको डिवीजन करने के बाद 0 मिला वो हमारा HCF होगा. So here HCF, therefore HCF is equal to what? क्या HCF आया हमारा 10 because 25 tens are 250 and after that we will get 0. So that's why here which is HCF? 10 is HCF. Okay. Now how to reduce this number into its lowest form? Okay. How to reduce this into its lowest form? Now here 275 divided by which number is there? 275 divided by 550. 275 divided by what? 550. Now I have to convert that number into its lowest form. I have to convert that. Sorry, here one mistake is there. Here HCF will not be 10. Here HCF will be 25 because जो number से divide करने के बाद मुझे 0 मिला, that would be my HCF, not 10. Sorry for the mistake. Here HCF would be 25. Okay. Now 25. Now how to convert the 275 by 550 into its lowest form? Okay. Now if I convert the 275 and 550, when I divide this 275 as well as this 550, okay, यहाँ पे I got here HCF is 25, so I would divide this 275 by 25 and this 550 by 25. Okay, first I will find HCF by division method, and after getting HCF by division method, I will divide that numbers into the HCF, that is 25. Okay. Now when I divide this 275 by 25, I'll get the answer 11. Okay. And when I divide this 550 by 25, I will get the answer is 21. Okay. Understood everyone? Again, I repeat this. Please pay attention everyone. Okay. First the number was 275 by 525. Then I divide this 525 by 275, right? Now 275 ones are 275. And then I got the answer is 250 after subtraction. Clear everyone? Yahan tak? Then again I will take this 275 to this side. Okay? Now 250 ones are 250. Now 5 minus 0, 5, 7 minus 5, 2. Now again I take this 250 to this side. Now 25 tens are 250, which is equal to 0. Now here, by which number I got 0 here, that would be my HCF. So what would be my HCF then? 25. Now अभी हमने HCF find out किया after by division method. And the question number 2 is what? Find the HCF by division method and convert the number into its lowest form, right? Now I will convert this 275 and 550 into its lowest form. For this, I will require the help of HCF. Now 275 remain as it is, 550 remain as it is, which are divided by 25. Okay, 25. When I divide this 275 by 25, अगर मैंने 275 को simply 25 से divide किया, तो I will get answer 11. And अगर मैंने 550 को 25 से divide किया, then I will get the answer 21. So what would be its lowest form? 11 by 21. 11 by 21. Clear everyone? Again we'll repeat the same. Another question by another question. Okay. So second question is 76 divided by 133. Now please pay attention over here, everyone. Okay, 76 by 133. Now what I am going to do is I will divide the number, means bigger number by smaller number. Sorry. Okay, so here which number will come? Here which number will come? 133, because bigger number will come this side. Okay, and here it will come 76. Okay, now again 76 ones are 76. So यहाँ पे आएगा 76. 76 ones are 76. Now when I subtract this 133 by 76, now do it fast. What answer will come? 133 minus 76. Give me answer in chat box. Quickly tell me 133 minus 76. Yes, it is 57. Clear. Correct everyone. Okay. What answer will come here? 57. Okay. 57. Now again, which number I will take in this side? Abhi 133 minus 76, I got 57. Now which number I am supposed to take over here, this side? Tell me in chat box. Yes. 76. Very good. Very good. 76. What number I am supposed to take over here? 76. Very good, everyone. Okay. 76. Now 57. So what answer here will come? Again 57 ones are 57. Correct. 57 ones are 57. Now if I subtract this 57 from 76, what answer I will get? What answer I will get if I subtract this 57 from 76? Okay, 19. Good, 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 good. Good, everyone. Okay, that means you are paying attention. Okay, here it will come 19. Now tell me, raise your hand. Next time, who will tell me? Raise your hand. Go to participant and raise your hand. Who are going to tell me the next step? Who are going to tell me the next step? Raise your hand. Go to participant and raise your hand. No one? Wait a minute. Okay, okay, okay. Who is Okay. So here it will come 57, correct. Here it will come 57. Now, if I divide this 57 by 19, okay, so 19 threes are what? 57. So here it will come 57 again, okay. So 57 minus 57 is 0. So, sorry, 57 minus 57 is 0. So that means which is our HCF? Therefore, HCF is equal to what? Tell me answer in chat box. HCF will be what? HCF is equal to what? Tell me in chat box. 19. Why 19? Because by 19 only we got our answer. Correct. By 19. Okay. So what would be HCF? जिससे हम divide करते, that would be our HCF. So what is our HCF then? Here it will come 19. So HCF is equal to 19. Now I have to convert that number into its lowest form, right? Now 76 divided by 133, 76 divided by 133 is equal to what? I will convert that 76 and 133 into its lowest form. For that, I will require the help of what? I will require the help of my HCF. Okay. Now I divide this 76 by 19. Okay. And again I divide this 133 by 19. So which answer I will get? If I divide 76 by 19 then? Okay. Which answer I will get? 19 4s are 76. Correct. Answer will be 4. And 19 7s are 133. So that means what? Our answer is what? 4 upon 7. Okay. HCF is equal to 19. Please note down this sum in your notebook. Okay. HCF is equal to 19 and lowest form is 4 upon 7. Okay. Please note down this sum in your notebook. Okay, Suryanshu, you are having doubt. I have unmuted you. What happened?
Teacher, actually, I was giving that answer you have told.
Okay, no problem. Okay, that time I have not recognized anyone. Okay, thank you very much. Please mute yourself. Understood till this, everyone? Go to participant, click on yes button or no button if you are having doubt or if you understood it. Very simple sums these are actually, right? It looks difficult, but it is not difficult sum, correct? Yes, good. Okay. I hope you all have noted this. Okay. Simple sum. Again, I repeat this. Please pay attention, everyone. This 133 has to be divided by 76. Okay. Now 76 ones are 76, correct? So when I subtract this 76 ones are 76, here 76 will come, right? Now here 3 minus 6 cannot be 6 cannot be subtracted with 3. So 13 minus 6 is 7. Again here it will come 57. Correct? Now this number I will take to this side. Now 57 again ones are 57. Now when I subtract this 57 from 76, I got the answer 19. Okay. Once I got the answer 19, I will take this number to this side. Correct? हमको ना सारा सब्ट्रैक्शन होने के बाद ये वाला नंबर यहाँ पे लेना है, ये वाला नंबर यहाँ पे लेना है. क्यों लेना है? Until we get 0. ठीक है? Now 19 3s are 57. Now I got 0, so we'll stop division. Okay, so by which number will get 0? 19. So that will be our HCF. Okay, now 76 by 133 remain as it is. Okay, Now I will divide this 76 and 133 by our HCF. For this, we require our HCF help. Okay. Now 76, if I divide this 76 by 19, I'll get answer 4. If I divide this 133 by 19, I'll get 7. Now this will be the lowest form of this 76 by 133. Understood everyone? Okay. Very simple sums these are. Okay. Next we'll do another sum. Okay. I hope all have noted down this sum. Okay. Now third one is, wait a minute. Third one is 161 by 69. 161 by 69. Okay, 161 by 69. Okay, now here I will take which number? 161, correct? 161. Here I will take which number? 69. Okay, now what will be our first step? Now raise your hand. Okay, Sai, I will unmute you. Tell me the first step. Unmute yourself. Tell me. Sai, I have unmuted you. Tell me the first step.
Teacher,
Yes.
will make the table of 69.
Yes. Then what will come here? What will come here? Anyone else? Tanvi, I unmute you. Please unmute yourself. Tell me the answer. Tanvi, Ninave. 69. What will come here?
69 multiplied by 2 is equal to 138.
Correct. Very good. 69 twos are what? 138. Correct. Very good, beta. Very good. Mute yourself right now. 138. Yes. Now, what will come here? Mute yourself, Tanvi. Now, Janvi, tell me the answer. What will come here? Janvi.
Teacher, 1 minute.
What will come here? Tell me fatafat. You have raised your hand, no? Okay, Prisha. Tell me. Prisha, which answer will come here? 161 minus 130. Yes?
23.
Correct. Very good. Here it will come 23. Now you only tell me which number I will take over here. Here.
Teacher,
Huh?
23 divided by 69.
Correct. Very good. 23 divided by 60. Sorry, 69 divided by 23. Okay. Now mute yourself, beta. Now, Yashvi, tell me another step.
Teacher, 23 divided by 69.
Huh? Which answer will come over here?
हाँ कपड़ा पहनाती हूँ.
Threesa.
Threes are correct.
23 threesa.
23 threes are correct. 23 threes are. Here it will come 23 threes are 69. 23 threes are 69. Now 69 minus 69 is equal to what? 0. So what will be our HCF? Tell me in chat box. What will be our HCF here? HCF is equal to HCF is equal to what? Tell me answer in chat box. Correct. Very good, Arya, Pratik, Sai. Rugved, Siddhi, Dhananjay, Om, Pratik, Aditya, Sakshi, Yash. Very good. What it will be? Roshan, Ayush, Aditi, Radhika, Achal, Vedika. Very good, very good. What will be our HCF? It will be what? 23. It will be what? 23. So HCF is equal to what? 23, because by 23 only we get the answer 0, right? So HCF is equal to 23. Now I have to convert that 161 by 69 into its lowest form. So what I'm going to do over here, I will take the help of my HCF, right? So 161, here I will write 161, okay, divided by 69. Now I am going to take help of our HCF 23. So 161 divided by 23, okay, 23. Similarly, 69 get also divided by what? 23. Okay, 23. Okay. Now the answer will be what? 161 divided by 23 and 69 divided by 23. So the answer will be what? Tell me the answer. If I divide 161 by 23, what I got? Answer 7/3. Correct. 7/3. Very good. Very good. You are as fast as you are faster than me, actually. 7/3. Correct. Very good. 7/3. Very good, everyone. Okay. I hope you all are understood these sums. Okay. Clear, everyone? This sums looks difficult, but it actually not difficult sums. You know? We have to divide the number. Then we got HCF, right? And after getting HCF, what we are going to do is convert that number into lowest form. But for that, what we are going to do? We will take help of our HCF. And after getting help of HCF, we can easily convert that number into its lowest form. Very good, everyone. Well done. Okay. So please note down this sum in your notebook. I'll give 1 minute to you to note down this sum. Please note down. Then we'll see LCM, how to find LCM. Okay. Please note down this sum in your notebook. I hope you have noted down this. Okay. Harshada Samant, what doubt you have? Shubhi Tiwari, doubt. Yes. What doubt you have, Harshada? Please let me know in chat box. 7th A students, have you understood all? Okay. Shubhi Tiwari is saying, I have cleared my doubt. Yes, very good, Vaishnavi. Pooja. Jyoti. Okay, good. Okay, good. Good, everyone. Okay. Now we are going to learn about what a new topic is LCM. Okay. So we are going to learn about LCM. Okay. Okay. So this was practice set. This was all about practice set 12. Okay. Least common multiple. Okay. So here, next up to till up to this, we have seen about highest common factor, that is HCF. Now we are going to learn about LCM. It is as same as that of the HCF for about factorization. Some of the difference is there. I'll tell you which difference it might be. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Now least common multiple, LCM. Okay. So write all the numbers in a line and find the factors that are common to all the numbers. Stop when there are no more common factors. Multiply all the numbers on the leftmost column with the numbers on the last row. Now here the question is, find the LCM of 16, 28 and 40. Okay. Here we have to find the HCF of LCM 28 and 40. Okay. If we have to find out HCF, then what we are going to do? We first divide this 16. We will first see the number at the unit place, correct? Number at the unit place. So what is the number at the unit place of 16? It is 6. What is the number at the unit place of 28? It is 8. What is the number at the unit place of 40? It is 0. That means if at the unit place of any number, please pay attention everyone, okay? Because this all is depending depend on divisibility. Okay. Now if at the unit place of 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is there, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is there, that means what? The number is divided by 2. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is there. Now here 6 is there, that means the number is divided by 2. If 8 is there, that means the number is divided by 2. If 0 is there, that means the number is divided by 2. Now if I divide this 16 by 2, what answer I'll get is 8. 2 8 is 16. If I divide this 28 by 2, what answer I'll get? 14. If I divide this 40 by 2, what answer I'll get is 20. Because 22 is a 40, right? Now, here 8 is there. After dividing, here 8 is there. Here 14 is there. And here 20 is there, right? Now again, I will divide this 8 by 2. I'll get answer 4. 14 by 2, I'll get answer 7. 20 by 2, I'll get answer 10. Correct? So, again here 4, 7, 10 is there. Now 4 can be divided by 2. So 2 2s are 4. But 7 cannot be divided by 2. So 7 remain as it is. 10 can be divided by 2. So 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now here what I got? 2 into 2 into 2. अगर हमको HCF फाइंड आउट करना है तो दैट विल बी HCF इज इक्वल टू, तो हम लोग सिर्फ लेफ्ट हैंड साइड के ही नंबर लेते हैं, करेक्ट? इफ HCF we have to find out, then what we'll do? This HCF is 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Now here 2 is prime number, 7 is prime number, and 5 is prime number, right? So if we have to find HCF, then we will take the HCF to the left hand side only. But if we have to find out the LCM, then I will multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into this 2 into this 7 into this 5. हमको सारे नंबर का लेना पड़ेगा. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 7s are 16 into 7. Let me know the answer. 16 7s are 16 7s are yeah, I will explain it again. I will explain. We are going to see many problems. Okay, don't worry about it. 16 7s are 16 7s are 112, correct? 112. It will be 112. Now 112 into 5, it is 560. Okay, we will see the sums, many sums like this. Okay, Wait a minute. Okay. Now come to practice set 13. Problem number first. It is 12 and 15. It is 12 and 15. Okay. Now, first take the divisibility. First check the divisibility. 2 is there. That means this number is divided by 2. Right. Now, what will come over here? 2 6 are 12. Okay. 2 6 are 12. But 15 can be divided by 2 or not? No. So, 15 remain as it is. Okay. Now, again here 6 is there. Okay. So, again I will divide this 6 by 2. 2 3s are 6. But 15 cannot be 2 again. Okay. Now, 15 remain as it is. Okay. Now, here 3 is there at this side and 15 is there at this side. Okay, if I divide this 3 by 3, 3 ones are 3 and 3 5s are 15. Or else, wait a minute. Or else this 3 remain as it is. And I will divide this 3 ones are 3 and 3 5s are 15. Okay, 3 ones are 3 and 3 5s are 15. Okay, now what will be our LCM then? What will be our LCM then? Again, if I'll take here 5. Sorry. So here it will come 5 ones are 5. Right? So what will be our LCM then? LCM is equal to what? 2 into 2 into 3 into what? 5. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 5s are what? 60. 12 5s are what? 60. Okay. So what will be our LCM then? 60. Understood everyone? What we are going to do here, please pay attention. Okay. We take here 12 and we take here 15. Now 2 is divided, 2 is there at the unit place. So we divide this 12 by 2. 2 6 are 12. 15 cannot be divided by 2. So 15 remain as it is. Okay. Now again here 6 is come. So that's why we have divided this 6 by 2. 2 3s are 6. But 15 again cannot be divided by 2. So it will comes down as it is. Okay. Now here 3 and 15 is there. So 3 can be divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3. Okay. And 15 can be divided by 3. So 3 5s are 15. Again this one remain as it is. 5 can be divided with 5. 5 ones are 5. What the answer is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12 and 12 5s are 60. So what our LCM is? 60. What our LCM is? 60. Understood everyone? Understood? Please go to participant and let me know whether you have understood it well or not. Good. Okay. Very simple sums these are actually, right? Who is having any doubt? If yes, then please let me know in chat box whether you have any doubt. Please let me know in your chat box. No doubt, no doubt, no doubt. Okay. Good. Good everyone. Yeah, I will repeat it again. Yeah. Okay. Some easy sums, yes. Easy sums these are actually. Okay. Now our next sum is 6, 8 and 10. Okay. Be ready with it. Okay. We'll see who will do first. Okay. Now 6, 8. Some students are smarter than me actually, right? Yes, because you understood these sums very easily and quickly. Now here 6 is there, 8 is there, and 10 is there. Now by which number it will divide? 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, and 2 5s are 10. Correct. Okay. Now here again this 4 and 5 is there. So we'll divide this 2. 3 cannot be divided by 2, so 3 remain as it is. But 4 can be divided with 2, so 2 2s are 4. And 5 cannot be divided with 2, so 5 remain as it is. Okay. So what would be our LCM then? LCM is equal to LCM of 6, 8 and 10 is equal to what? See, when we get here 3, 2 and 5, no need to divide it again by 3, 2 and 5, okay? Because these are prime numbers, right? So we'll write it as LCM is equal to 2 into what? 2 into what? 3 into what? 2 into what? 5, correct. Okay, this 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. Now do multiplication faster and tell me the answer. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are, sorry, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 5s are. Let me check your chat box. Yes, it is 120, correct. Very good, very good, very good. Very good. Yes, it is 120. So LCM is equal to what? 120. Good. Very good, students. 120. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24 and 24 5s are 120. Very good. Very good. Okay. Keep it up, everyone. Now let's take another sum. Let's take another sum. With sum, we'll do 15, 10, 15 and 20. Okay. We'll do 10. Wait a minute. 10. Then we'll do 10, then 15 and then 20. 10, 15 and 20. We'll do with 10, 15 and 20. Correct. Okay. Now, by which number it will divide first? 0 is there, so we'll divide it by 2 first. Okay. So 2 5s are 10. 15 cannot be divided with 2, so it will remain as it is. Now 2 10s are 20. 2 10s are 20. Okay. Now again, now here 5, 15 and 10. Again I will divide this by 2. 5 remain as it is. 15 remain as it is. And 2 5s are 10. Correct? Now here it will come 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Correct? Now what will be our LCM then? LCM is equal to, what would be our LCM then? LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 5, right? Into 3. Correct? 2 into 5, 2 into 2 into 5 into 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 and 23s are what? It is what it is? 60. Correct. 60. Very good. Siddhi. Very good. Sachin. Very good. Sai. Sorry. Sai Sachin. Then Sakshi. Rajini. Sorry. Ragini. Gaurav. Ayush. Yash. Mahima. Harshada. Aditya. Shubhi. Dhananjay. I want answers from 7th A as well. Janvi. Good. Chaitra. Chitra, sorry. Arya, Atif, Mandira, Prisha, Yogit, Purva, Chaitanya, Atharva. Very good. Pratik, very good. Okay. That means you have understood it very well. Understood, everyone? Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. So that means you have understood it well. Okay, HCF, LCM, how to divide, how to find HCF by division method and to convert this into its lowest form that we have seen till this, correct? Yes. So I hope you all are understood this. Yes, I hope you all are understood this. Yes or no?